Hello. For everyone who's new here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Katia. I'm Mexican, and I'm an embroidery on paper artist. I want to explain to you a little bit about my memberships. I have two. The first one is Just Stitches, and the other one is the Ultimate Embroidery on Paper Guide. With the Just Stitches, you will end up with a little booklet just like this. It comes with every stitch, step by step. Show you how to make the stitch, and then like a small project to apply that knowledge or that stitch to something. For example, here with the French knot, I teach you how to do the French knot, and then we end up with a small project applied to it. So for now, I have about like 55 classes. If you access right now, you have access to everything that I have recorded. The nice thing about my Patreon is that we start from the very start, like the really basic things. You don't need any knowledge to start the Patreon. If you are already advanced, you can skip those classes and continue to the more advanced class. So I have, for now, two models, model 1 and number 2. And it comes with the stitches, and it comes with the projects. If you want the membership, that Ultimate Embroidery and Paper Guide, that comes with extra projects. So it comes with that Just Stitches plus more projects, such as what papers to use, what tools, what all tools, how to make the holes, how to print, what printers to use. Everything so you can start from zero. For example, this one is a model number 1, as you can see, and you end up doing this little book with all of the stitches. And this is the model number 2. And also you have your little booklet with all of the stitches, with the small projects as well. And when you use the other membership, the complete one, the Ultimate Guide, you will end up doing small projects such as this. Tags, bookmarks, how to make the tassels, embroider some pictures, some other pictures. For example, this year we made some Christmas cards. And that's a little bit of the difference. With the Ultimate membership, you will get more information, such as, for example, this difference in threads, choosing the right thread, how to make the tool, exercises like this, playing with thread quantities, bookmarks, embroider pictures, and I'll guide you step by step. We just did this kind of project, how to embroider in different kind of paper, how to print your templates. These are some examples of what you can learn. It's really complete. You will end up being a master in embroidery on paper. I will share a lot of my knowledge, and I hope you join and be part of this beautiful community.